welcome to this class, and today I will solve some questions from this long answer type questions, page number 635. Okay, so open the books and then see the question. So here goes the first question. The first question is cos theta plus sec theta equal to root 3. Root 3, then we have to find the value of cos q theta plus sec q theta. Okay, we have to find we have to prove. Okay, we have to prove that it is equal to 0. Okay, so how will you solve this question here? It is this, then so write here that LHS theta plus sec q theta equal to cos theta plus sec theta into cos square theta minus cos theta sec theta plus sec square theta. Okay, this is the formula. Okay, you know the formula AQ plus BQ is A plus B into A square minus AB plus B square. So therefore now you have this here root 3. Okay, because the value is given root 3, and here you have cos square theta plus sec square theta. So here cos square theta minus 1. Okay, why it is 1 here? Because cos theta into 1 by cos theta. Sec theta equal to 1 by cos theta. So you have this sec square theta, and then you have root 3 into here cos square theta minus here will be 1 plus sec square theta. Okay, so here cos square theta minus 1 plus sec square theta is there. Then now here we have this minus 1 plus sec square theta. What is that? Minus 1 plus, let me see this here. Okay, here cos square theta minus 1 plus sec square theta. Okay, so here I have done this question. Yes, here you have to use some this step is not sufficient here. Here you will write this, it is root 3 here. Okay, that is correct. Now cos square theta, and here you will write that 2 cos theta into sec theta. Okay, and then here write sec square theta, and here write minus 3 cos theta sec theta. Right? So now see here that 2 cos theta into sec theta and minus 3 cos theta into sec theta here. So when you solve this, you will get here this. Okay, so next root 3. Now see that it is cos square theta a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so this is based on the formula a plus b whole square. So it will be cos theta plus sec theta whole square. Okay, put this bracket here, and minus 3 cos theta into sec theta. Write this, and then you have root 3. Then its value is what? Root 3 here. Root 3 whole square is given. So minus 3 cos theta into 1 by cos theta, then root 3, and then this will be 3 minus here also you have 3. So root 3 into 0 equal to 0 equal to RHS. Okay, so this is the answer of this question. Here the Okay, so here first you have to remember the formula, that is AQ plus BQ. Okay, by this formula you will expand this, and then here this is the trick. Okay, this step is most important here, and if you don't remember this trick, then it is not possible to solve this question. Okay, so here this is the trick here, so you must remember, and then now see here that cos square theta plus 2 cos theta sec theta plus x square, this will be equal to a plus b whole square, so a plus b whole square, and then this will be this. And again here this is 3, when because you know the sec theta equal to 1 by cos theta, so these two will cancel out, then 3 is left here and its value is 3, and so you get the answer. Okay, then the next question is we have to find the question number 2 is 3 sin theta plus 4 sin theta equal to 5. Okay, 3 sin theta plus 4 cos theta equal to 5, and we have to find the value of sin theta. Okay, we have to find the value of sin theta equal to this. Okay, so how will you find the value of sin theta? In this, start with this expression, that is 3 sin theta plus 4 cos theta equal to 5. So how can we find the value? You can square both sides. Okay, that is squaring both sides. So what would you get here? Sin theta whole square. Don't write this. That is right here that 4 cos theta equal to, okay, that is here 4 cos theta, that will be better here. 4 cos theta equal to 5 minus 3 sin theta. Okay, now squaring both sides. It will be here 4 cos theta whole square equal to 5 minus 3 sin theta whole square. Okay, then this will be here 16 cos square theta equal to 25 plus 9 sin square theta minus 30 sin theta. Okay. Okay. So now it is 16. So you write that 16 1 minus sin square theta equal to, it is 25 plus 9 sin square theta minus 30 sin theta here. Then this implies 16 minus 16 sin square theta equal to 25 plus 9 sin square theta minus 30 sin theta. Now here take this to that side and this to that side also. So you will have, see here that 16 plus 9 will be 25. So write here 25 sin square theta and minus 30 sin theta, and 25 minus 16 will be 9. So 9. So this is the expression. Now again see that this is based on the formula a minus b whole square. You see here that 5 sin theta whole square minus 2 into 5 sin theta into 3 plus 3 square. Now see here that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So you have then it will be 5 sin theta minus 3 whole square. Okay, so it will be equal to 0 and here also equal to 0. So therefore you have 5 sin theta minus 3 equal to 0, and this implies sin theta equal to 3 by 5. So this is the answer of this question. Okay, the value of this sin theta equal to 3 by 5. And here see the step here, that 3 sin theta plus 4 cos theta equal to 5, and here I have written 4 cos theta equal to 5 minus 3 sin theta here. Why? Because here they have to find the value of sin theta, so we have to remove this cos theta here. So here if you write like this, then it will be removed here, like it is cos theta whole square, then it will be cos square theta, then again this is converted to sin square theta. So now in this step we don't have any cos theta, and then after simplifying we will get the value of sin theta. Then the next question is sin theta plus cos theta equal to 2. Next question is sin theta plus cos theta equal to 2, and we have to find the value of sin 7 theta plus cos 7 theta. Okay, the question number 3 is sin theta plus cos theta equal to 2, and we have to find the value of sin 7 theta plus cos 7 theta. Okay, we have to find the value of this. So here first start with this sin theta plus equal to 2 here, then write sin theta plus 1 by equal to 2, then here sin square theta plus 1 by then sin square theta minus 2 sin theta plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, now here again this is the formula sin theta whole square minus 2 sin theta into 1 plus 1 square equal to 0. Now see here a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so then this will be equal to sin theta minus 1 whole square equal to 0, and this implies sin theta minus 1 equal to 0, and this implies sin theta equal to 1, and then this implies 1 by cos theta equal to 1, because sin theta equal to 1 by cos theta. Okay, and this implies cos theta equal to 1 also. So here you have sin theta equal to 1 and cos theta equal to 1, and therefore you have sin 7 theta plus equal to 1 to the power 7 plus 1 to the power 7 equal to 1 plus 1 equal to 2. So 2 is the answer of this question. Next is question number 4. Question number 4 is cos theta minus sin theta equal to root 2 cos theta. Cos theta, and then we have to prove that cos theta plus sin theta equal to plus minus root 2 sin theta. So this is the question, and we have to do this cos theta plus sin theta equal to plus minus root 2 sin theta, right? So this is the question. So we will start with this, that is cos theta minus sin theta equal to root 2 cos theta here. Now see here that it is cos theta plus sin theta, and this is equal to this here. That is we have to bring here cos theta plus sin theta. Okay, so how will we do it? If you square it, then you will get cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta equal to there it will be here 2 cos square theta. Okay, so but in this yes, we have to square it. Okay, so square this here, squaring both sides. So it will be whole square here. So it will be here cos square theta plus sin square theta minus 2 cos square theta, and this will be equal to 1. So 1 minus cos square theta. So now here you have 1 minus 2 sin theta cos theta equal to 2 cos square theta, and then bring this to that side, or you will write here that 2 sin theta cos theta equal to 1 minus 2 cos square theta. Okay. Okay, so here it is this, and here we can write this 2 cos square theta as 1 minus sin square theta. Okay, and this is here 1 minus 2 sin theta cos theta equal to 2 1 minus sin square theta, then 1 minus 2 sin theta cos theta equal to 2 minus 2 sin square theta. Then here we have to find the 2 sin theta cos theta equal to how much? 1 minus 2 plus 2 sin square theta. So it will be equal to 2 sin square theta minus 1. Okay, now leave it here. Then next is cos theta plus sin theta whole square equal to cos theta plus the whole square equal to cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta. Okay, and this is 1 here, 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta. Okay, now here we have to use this value here. So it will be equal to 1 plus, now say it is 2 sin square theta minus 1. Okay, here you will write that using 1. Okay, so now here cos theta plus sin theta whole square equal to cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta, and its value is 1. So 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta, and we have found the value of this using the given condition, this here. So here it is this, and then put this value here, then this one will cancel out, then you have cos theta plus sin theta whole square equal to 2 sin square theta, and therefore cos theta plus sin theta equal to plus minus root 2 sin theta. Okay, so this is proved here. So this is how you will prove it. Okay, so first we have this step, that is this is given here, and from this we will find the value of 2 sin theta cos theta like this, and then we will use this identity here, that cos theta plus sin theta whole square equal to here you will expand this, and then we will put the value and then solve, then we will get the answer. Okay, so this is the question number 4. Now the question number 6. Okay, solve the question number 6 now. Question number 6. In this you have tan theta plus 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta. Okay, this and we have to prove what is we have to prove in this. Equal to sec theta. Okay, we have to prove it is equal to sec theta. Okay, so start with LHS. Tan theta plus first 1 minus rationalize this 1 minus now this will be 1 minus sin theta whole square, and here will be 1 minus sin square theta. This is sin square theta. A plus b into here it is minus. Okay, so a plus b into a plus b, a square plus b square, that is 1 minus sin square theta, and root. Then next is tan theta plus, so now this is whole square here, and right here 1 minus sin theta by cos square theta. Now see that this is also whole square, this is also square here, so we can remove the root sign. Cos theta, then right here tan theta plus 1 by cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta, then tan theta plus sec theta minus tan theta. Okay, because sin theta by cos theta equal to tan theta. Now this tan theta minus and this plus will be cancelled out, then answer is sec theta equal to RHS. It is proved. Okay, so this is the question number 6. Then you have the question number 7 also. Question number 7. Okay, so this is the question. Tan theta plus sec theta whole square equal to 1 plus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta. So start with this. Now tan theta plus sec theta whole square. So it will be tan theta plus sec theta whole square. You can write this as sin theta by cos theta plus 1 by cos theta whole square. So it will be sin theta plus 1 by cos theta whole square, then 1 plus sin theta whole square by cos square theta. So you have here 1 plus sin theta whole square by 1 minus sin square theta, and this will be equal to 1 plus sin theta whole square. Right here 1 plus sin theta also, and below you have 1 minus sin theta and 1 plus sin theta. So here the formula, that is, don't break this. Okay, that is a plus b whole square. You can write whole square as this 1 plus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta. Next 1 minus sin square theta. Again here is the formula, like 1 is equal to 1 square. Okay, so a square minus b square equal to a minus b into a plus b. So now these are equal, so these can be cancelled out, and then you have 1 plus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta equal to RHS. Okay, so this is the proof of this question. So now this is the end of this exercise. Okay, and in the next class I will explain you the next chapter, that is the chapter number 3. Okay, and I hope here you will have understood the solution of these questions here. Okay, or so you will solve the questions yourself at your home. Okay, there are many questions in this chapter, in this exercise actually. Okay, so here I have solved some questions, but and I think you would have got the idea of how to solve these questions. But still, if you practice more and more questions, then you can solve many questions yourself. Okay, so thank you for watching now.